At the hotel, meet me at the hotel. Step up in the club and you know what's going down. Niggas cuff they bitch every time I come around. Riding in something wet when I'm in my town. I got a couple bottles so you know what's going down. Meet me at the hotel. Meet me at the hotel.
God damn, bitch, turn down. Yeah, it's the boy Trey Ocho. 2 G-Shocks, 3 rings. Let's get it. We in this bitch, white tee crew. Unfortunately, I ain't got a white tee on today. You know, it's up early. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Boy got the day off from work. So, you know, I'm about to head to my other job, which is the studio. Let me switch the effects for y'all. Pretty boy swag. Swag. Goddamn house phone ringer. That a bitch. Alright, boy. Trey Ocho signing out. Meet me at the hotel.